Tensions are rising in the Middle East. Again, but this time, the friction isn't just between nations. It's between longtime allies, President Donald Trump and Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu. At the heart of it, Iran. Netanyahu sees Iran's nuclear ambitions as an existential threat, and he wants action. But Trump? He's more cautious, holding back from military confrontation, despite Netanyahu's repeated urgings. This isn't just a policy difference. It's a widening rift. Behind closed doors, Trump has voiced frustration. He's reportedly tired of what he sees as Netanyahu dragging his feet, especially on peace talks with the Palestinians. Trump's focus now? Saudi Arabia and the Gulf states. He's pushing ahead with deals and diplomacy in the region, without Israel at the center. In fact, Israel has been left out of key upcoming meetings altogether. Case in point, Secretary of Defense Pete Hegseth just canceled his first official trip to Israel. Why? Because he's been asked to join Trump's delegation on a Middle East tour, visiting Saudi Arabia, Qatar, and the UAE. Notably, not Israel. And there's more. Trump is negotiating with Saudi Arabia to help develop a nuclear energy program. Yes, nuclear. That includes uranium enrichment on Saudi soil, something that could upend the region's fragile balance. During his first term, Trump demanded that Saudi Arabia normalize relations with Israel in exchange for cooperation. But now, that condition is off the table. And then there's Gaza. Trump is reportedly crafting a bold new peace plan aimed at ending Israel's 18-month-long war in the region. Details are still emerging, but the proposal could include a civilian governance framework with Hamas and reassurances against assassination. There's even talk of Trump owning Gaza, rebuilding it from scratch. A vision that's drawn international condemnation, with critics calling it anything from impractical to ethnic cleansing. For Netanyahu, this is a political minefield. Trump's solo approach could sideline Israel in the very region it sees as vital to its security. And if Israel moves alone against Iran without U.S. backing, it could face severe international backlash. The alliance between Trump and Netanyahu was once unbreakable. Now, it's fraying, caught between divergent visions of security, diplomacy, and power in the Middle East.